Common verbs used in kitchen. Baste. The cook bastes the turkey with juices to keep it moist. The cook bastes the turkey with juices to keep it moist. Blend. The smoothie is blended until smooth. Blend. The smoothie is blended until smooth. Grease. Jane greases the baking pan before adding the batter. Jane greases the baking pan before adding the batter. Toss. The salad is tossed with dressing before serving. Toss. The salad is tossed with dressing before serving. Squeeze. Mark squeezed the lemon for lemonade. Squeeze. Mark squeezed the lemon for lemonade. Beat. The baker beats the cream to make whipped cream. Beat. The baker beats the cream to make whipped cream. Simmer. The sauce simmers on the stove top. Simmer. The sauce simmers on the stove top. Grill. Dad grills burger on the barbecue. Grill. Dad grills burger on the barbecue. Season. Sarah seasons the soup with salt and pepper. Season. Sarah seasons the soup with salt and pepper. Knead. Maria knead the dough to make bread. Maria knead the dough to make bread. Sauce. The chef sautés the vegetable in olive oil. Sauce. The chef sautés the vegetables in olive oil. Fry. Grandma fries the fish in a pan. Fry. Grandma fries the fish in a pan. Whisk. Tim whisked the eggs to make an omelette. Whisk. Tim whisked the eggs to make an omelette. Roast. The chef roasts the chicken in the oven. Roast. The chef roasts the chicken in the oven. Pour. Lisa pours the milk into the bowl. Pour. Lisa pours the milk into the bowl. Grate. Tom grates cheese for the pasta. Tom grates cheese for the pasta. Bake. We bake cookies in the oven. We bake cookies in the oven. Boil. The water boils on the stove. Boil. The water boils on the stove. Peel. Emily peels the apples for the pie. Peel. Emily peels the apples for the pie. Chop. Jack chops the onion for the stir fry. Chop. Jack chops the onion for the stir fry. Mix. Dad mixes the batter for the cake. Mix. Dad mixes the batter for the cake. Stir. Mom stirs the soup in the pot. Stir. Mom stirs the soup in the pot. Slice. Sarah slices the vegetables for the salad. Sarah slices the vegetables for the salad. Thanks for watching my video.